Welcome to another thrilling Dashcam compilation. Get ready to witness the unexpected, the unbelievable, and the downright shocking moments captured on the road. Buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the action.
Yeah.
It's basically a highlight.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh,
Oh.
shit, babe. Oh, shit. Should I put my hat? Oh, babe, I'm gonna cry. Do you gonna get out and help him?
I got tennis on, mate.
The guy that's scamming, he deserves it. You know, or you just have someone that's straight racist that's watching this. And, oh, there's always they're all Yahoo boys, and then they just reinforce their own biases.
What I'm going to do, one of the first acts, and this is where I need an Elon Musk, I need somebody that has a lot of strength and courage and smarts. I want to close up Department of Education.
Also, just a callback to something we flagged on our Love It episode. There literally seem to be calling for the demolition of the United States.
BMW Mountain View 85 North, El Camino exit. Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.
You gotta be shitting me.
00643, MSRP 32986, short the end of the...
She says finding Beverly became a local obsession.
People came out in droves looking for her, wondering where could she have gone. To not come home from work after doing something you do every single day, it left a huge mystery. What happened to her?
Her husband Carl even made a televised plea.
I just would like to have my wife back.
Fuck!
Shit! Fuck!
What affects the rest of us when that doesn't work? On the next Houston Matters. Take to ensure cybersecurity. How it affects the rest of us when that doesn't work. On the next Houston Matters.
Oh my God! Jesus fucking Christ almighty.
Okay, Garmin.
While your lady's sneaking out.
Fucking go! If you're gonna fucking go, go! Why are you breaking?
delegates were denied permission to address the convention. Roman, welcome to Here and Now. Thanks for having me. Representative Roman, you were one of 30 or so uncommitted delegates at the DNC, but after weeks of talks with organizers,
What the fuck, man?
Back, so no, I don't think it needs that. Okay, I like it. I like it. It's a little hardship for me. We're saying goodbye. This is the last day for our long-time studio manager, Jammer B, John Slanina, who's helping us. He'll be here for a few more days, helping us pack stuff up and prepare.
Oh shit, bro. What the fuck?
So that was that. There was a whole bunch of different little highlights I wanted to show from the subreddit. That's in your edit, right?
Yeah, that's in my edit.
So why don't we go ahead and look at...
Whoa, what the fuck?
Do you want me to click this link here?
Brother! Oh shit!
This is the compilation
what the fuck?
of
You just hit that sign, bro!
What Dan was talking about.
What the fuck?
Come on, man. Fuck me.
He's got a Titan Nick? Like the one that you guys showed me yesterday?
No. That's Cold Titan, like the one that Dad bought from
I know about that. Oh shit!
Whoa!
Oh fuck. Hold on. Hey Siri, call 911. Hey Siri, call...
Use the left 2 lanes to take the I-5 north ramp, then use the left 2 lanes to take the I-5 ramp.
How are you alternative if you look the same? Alternative. You all look the same. The same.
What do you want? Different. What the fuck are you doing?
You know, the same.
Do you not see the people on the crosswalk walking?
Did you see the fucking people on
Do
the
you
cross
not see
in
the
front of me?
cross people? What are you doing?
What
Why are
the
you
fuck
getting
is-
off your truck?
What the fuck is your horn blowing at me
Because
for?
there's people walking.
You worry about your fucking truck.
Because there's people walking.
You worry about your fucking
It's
truck.
not about the truck, it's about the people.
Don't worry about my truck,
I don't care
motherfucker.
about your
Worry
truck.
about yours.
I don't give a shit about your truck.
Well,
I give a
fuck
shit
your
about the
truck.
people.
Fuck your horn.
It's about the people.
Blow me and not your horn,
The
bitch.
people.
Fuck people. They've already passed me, motherfucker.
Fuck people.
One way to get a relationship with you. You can find out on a date to come with you.